Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. Hi, good morning. Today Terence and I will go to the beach together. We found a resort where you can hire a palapa for a day. It's like a hammock above the sea. And my mom is going to bring us there. Alright guys, we're sitting in the palapa. I'm a little bit disappointed because we came here for the hammock like they have there. There they can hang above the water. But then when we came here they were saying like, yeah, the half of the palapas don't have a hammock. And yeah, now we don't have one. And we pay the same price. So yeah. It's a scam. No, but it's still really nice. Still nice view. You have some water, coffee, and later we have some fresh fruit. So that's nice. Chilling. And look at my new bikini. And my new ring. And I also bought pink glitter slippers. Look. We're going for a swim. Okay guys, the water here is really nice. There's so many fishes. It's like an aquarium. It's really nice. We have some food. Okay, so it's 6 p.m. now and the beach is closed. My mom is coming to pick us up, but we have to wait for an hour. So we're having a cocktail. Cheers! Of course I spilled it already, but okay. I'm gonna do it with this.
Gaan we shot of zo?
Ja. Shots.
Wat we nou doen?
Cheers. Good morning guys! Today we are at Tugboat Beach, which is the best snorkel and diving place on Curaçao. And they have like a treasure hunt snorkeling map. So here there is an anchor at the bottom of the sea and also a sunken tugboat and seahorses. So I hope we can spot them. So let's go snorkeling. We found a shipwreck guys. Oh my god, this is so cool. Okay guys, this is really a nice spot for snorkel or dive. We didn't see seahorses or colored coral, but we did see the anchor and the second tugboat and a lot of fishes, so that was really cool. And now we're going to another beach. Okay, I didn't film it, but we were on the other beach for like 5 minutes and then we went to our pool and now we're painting. What are you painting? A heart
with a bow.
Cute. And I'm making sand, sea, and the sky. Good morning, guys. Oh, this is weird. Today we are at Playa Grandi, and you can buy a lot of souvenirs here. So
Yes, I
she
bought
bought
3 bracelets.
Yeah. And we just had a swim in the ocean, and we saw 2 really big sea turtles. So that was really cool. But they're feeding them here, so they're gonna swim to this side of the beach. But still nice. Alright guys, we drove to another beach. We are now at Cas Abao, and I think this is the most beautiful beach here in Curaçao. The sand is really white and the water is really blue. That's basically everywhere here in Curaçao, but I think this is my favorite now. Good morning! Today we are at Papagayo beach. This is our bed. Hello! Hi! So this beach has a pool, I think with seawater, but that's really nice. Starting with a coffee. Cheers! We had a nice chill day today at the beach, and there is also a nice sunset. Cheers! And tomorrow we're gonna do something fun because we're gonna swim with dolphins. Yay! But we're gonna make another video of that. So I'm gonna end this video here. I hope you liked it, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And see you in the next one. Bye. Ciao.